And when somebody says, what do you do, guys? If you're on Easton University, your reflexive answer needs to be, would it help if I gave you an idea of the kinds of things I do? Not financial services, right? Would it help if I gave you an idea of the kinds of things that we do? And then hopefully frame that with an insight that's relatable to that person's specific situation.
Yeah, that's interesting. I usually, when people ask me what I do, I'll say, I run a financial planning business, but it might be better if I share an experience of one of my recent clients.
An easier way to say that when they say, yeah, an easier way to say that is just, would it help if I gave you an idea of the kinds of things I do? It's almost mysterious. Yeah, sure. So I'm a financial planner, but here's where I'm a little bit different. I work with a lot of small business owners in terms of people that don't have the time, the energy to be able to manage everything. I'm able to come in very, very quickly and look at all of their different accounts. I'm raise my hand if blankety blank and then go through that story, and they're going to listen to that story a lot more if you say, would it help if I gave you an idea of the kinds of things I do? The other cool thing about that is even Orlando, even if they're like, my wife works for Fidelity where we bleed green, right? If you've told me that story, then I know Mike, I could be like, Mike, dude, I can't move any money over to this guy because you know Heather's with Fidelity, but you really need to talk to this guy, Mike. You had like 17 jobs before you started your own company. I bet you've got a lot of stuff out there. This guy can probably help you with that. If you're able to tell a story, they're able to evangelize the story.
Hey Dad, what's an easy way for salespeople to make a lot more money right now?
I got you and I got you. It's to learn how to close. It's the simplest thing that I teach, and people that know how to close, boom, they start making a lot more money. And I'm gonna pay $300 for you to learn how to close right here, right now. It's the closing mini masterclass from me, from Easton University. I'm gonna give it away to you for free right now. Click the link and I will send you the closing mini masterclass for free. You're gonna make a lot more money. They're gonna make a lot more money. You're gonna make a lot more money. I want you to take it too, all right? We'll see you on the other side. Grab the closing mini masterclass.